Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing about mistakes that models make on the runway. I'm Allie with NGM Modeling, and let's jump right in here. The very first mistake that models make is trying to find people in the crowd. If you've got someone who's there to watch you, or you've got a photographer that said, hey, I'm gonna take some great pics of you today, don't try to find somebody in the crowd. That is going to throw you off, and that is going to take your focus off of what you're doing, and you're going to get lost on the runway and make mistakes. The second mistake models make on the runway is looking down at their feet while they're walking. All right, so looking down is going to make it very challenging for you to be able to keep your balance and to make your turns properly and your poses properly. Next up is walking too fast and not holding your poses at the end of the runway. All right, you're not in a big hurry. When you get down there, you take your time and get your poses in and really show off the pieces. This way, you're also going to get some great pictures for your portfolio from your show. Next up is make sure that you're wearing shoes that you have walked in. This is not a good day to wear shoes that you are unfamiliar with and you've never walked in. Now, obviously this is different if that's what you're showing, is the shoes, but in most cases you're bringing your own shoes and you're usually showing off clothes. So make sure you're wearing something that you have used before. And we also have links for the various types of shoes that you should have in your arsenal anyways. Make sure you check out the link below and it will take you right to our top recommendations for shoes. And then the last one is don't forget to enjoy the moment. This is what you've worked for, right? If you're not enjoying it, you probably shouldn't be doing it anyways. So just make sure that you're having a good time, and that's going to help you to relax and to do a way better job. Like I said, you're going to get better pictures out of it, and you're going to really enjoy it and make some good connections, and who knows what this moment could lead to. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you out as you walk the runway in your next show. Leave us some comments below. Make sure you like the video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.